Hi guys, going to do another one of these, the BEANO Vintage Collection paper plane kit. I expect viewing it on YouTube they probably are more or less in sequence, but I haven't done any for about a week or so. But because I schedule them ahead, they're probably going to be fairly close to each other. Number 14 is the next one. So let's have a look to see what number 14 looks like. He looks a little bit fancy at the bottom there. Throw gently. So yeah, okay. So that's that one. Put the rest out the way. Have a quick look at the cartoon on the front. Okay. Instructions on the floor. First fold here. Well, it's already folded in the middle, so second fold technically. And fold it this way. Flip the plane over, fold in the corners this way. Okay, turn the plane over again. Fold that down to there. Have to bring those up. There's something a bit funny here. Turn that over. Oh, I see. Fold that like that, so we get a little pointy bit sticking out the front. Okay, like that. Okay. And now that way. That way down the middle. Let's come up that way. Right, well that's it. Being as it says throw gently, I don't expect it to be, well, we'll find out. Stop waffling, Grandad, and just throw it and see if it flies. It is dark outside and wet and raining, so we ain't going outside. We'll have to try it in the kitchen. Right, Nanny's got the dinner cooking over there. I just hope we don't land on the naked flame. Summary time. Well, I did have my doubts about it when it said throw it gently. It's one of those ones, it's too fancy for my liking. It needs to be in that format, the W or M, W that way up. The only way I could get it to stay in that format was to actually put super glue along the joins, the folds, because that holds it rigid then, and then I was able to throw it. If I didn't put super glue on there to hold it in position, it tended to fold it up like that to throw it, which is not what it's intended to be. It's intended to be like that. I think it'd be ideal, one of those ones that you throw off a tall building, because I think it'll glide nicely. But to actually grip it and throw it, if you grip it, you squeeze it, you can hold it back here and throw it, but that's just awkward. Yeah, not my favourite by any means, but it does fly, but I would leave it for one of those ones you throw off a tall building. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.